Hey guys, in this video I show you the top 7 altcoins with the greatest potential for 2024. I will also give you a brief version of the technical analysis and the potential targets of the cryptos. Especially the last 2 coins are smaller coins that not many people have in their crypto portfolio. So definitely stay tuned until the end to not miss out. Now let's dive into the content. Let's start with the first altcoin, which is VeChain. VeChain is on place 35 of all cryptocurrencies, and I think VeChain has a great potential. As you can see, we had our all-time highs in 2021 with 25 cents. VeChain has a market cap of $2.5 billion, and in the last bull run I made much gains with VeChain. And as we have a look at the charts, you can see that we now build bullish momentum to the upside, and we have some very interesting highs right here. And if VeChain has enough power to break these highs to the upside, then the chance is high that we can continue to the last all-time high. And just from the price right now to the all-time high, we have a potential of 690%. And I think that the target of 12x for the next bull run is very realistic for VeChain. So it's definitely one of the best coins for my portfolio. The second coin in my portfolio is Cardano. And of course, many people will know Cardano, especially from the last bull run. But as you can see, Cardano is on place 8 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $20 billion. So Cardano is one of the biggest altcoins. So the chance that Cardano is going to the upside is very high. Of course, it's not a 100x project, but for a good portfolio, it's important to have a mix of bigger altcoins and smaller altcoins. And we had our all-time high like at VeChain in 2021 in the bull run. And if we have a look at the TA, you can see we had our bearish trend right here, but we made our first higher highs on the weekly time frame. So the chance is there that we can see bullish targets. And especially if we're breaking this highs right here, then the chance is high that we see even higher prices. And from the price right now to the all-time high, we have 400%. And I think this is a very great potential because, as I said, Cardano is on place 8 of all cryptocurrencies. And we have a potential of 430% to the all-time high. And I think the price target for the next bull run of $6 is very realistic. So this would be a price increase about 900%. The next coin is Ripple. Ripple is one of the most popular coins because many people love XRP. And I also think that XRP has a great potential. XRP is on place 6 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $33 billion. And we built our last all-time highs in 2018 at $3.1. And as we have a look at the chart, you can see that we have higher lows and slightly higher highs. So we are not clearly in a bullish trend. We first have to break this last highs right here. But as you can see, Ripple is going sideways more often. And when we are pumping, the pumps are extreme. And to the last highs, we have an increase about 400%, which is also really good because Ripple is on place 6 of all cryptocurrencies. And I think a realistic target is $5 for the next bull run, which would be a price increase of 700%. So XRP is definitely a good coin for a portfolio. The fourth altcoin is Chainlink. Chainlink is on place 14 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $8 billion. And as you can see, we also had our last all-time highs in 2021 in the bull run. And I think many other people are also made crazy gains on Chainlink. And as you can see, after this long range right here, we now saw this bullish push to the upside. And if we are breaking this last high to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can see more bullish momentum on Chainlink. From the price right now to the last all-time high, we have a potential of 260%. And I think that $70 for Chainlink is very realistic. So that would be 370% from now. The next coin is Ethereum. And of course, Ethereum is on place 2 of all cryptocurrencies with a big market cap of $265 billion. We built our last all-time high in 2021 in the bull run. And as you can see, Ethereum is looking more bullish than the other altcoins. We have our bullish trend right here. And from the price right now to the all-time high, we have 120%. And I think a realistic target are $9,000. So we have a potential of 300% for Ethereum. So Ethereum is definitely one of the best coins for your portfolio because Ethereum is way less risky than the other altcoins. And we have a great potential as well. And now we come to the smaller altcoins, which are very interesting. We have Celestia. And Celestia is on place 41 of all cryptocurrencies with nearly $2 billion market cap. And as you can see, we made our all-time highs here in December. I think Celestia is a great project. And as you can see, the daily chart is looking very bullish. We are clearly in a bullish trend. And I think a price target of $80 in the bull run is realistic. So we have 500% potential to the upside. And now we are seeing the final altcoin. an altcoin with very much potential, Cardena. Cardena is on place 175 of all cryptocurrencies, with a smaller market cap of 300 million US dollars. And as you can see, we built our all-time highs in 2021, and then we saw this immense crash. But I think Cardena can move to the upside. And as you can see on the weekly chart, we saw our first bullish explosion. And if we are finding some acceptance over this last highs right here, then I think the chances high that we can see an explosion for Cardena. And I think a realistic target are $10. So this would be a potential of 700%. But as you can see, the all-time highs of Cardena are way higher. And if we would reach the all-time highs, you would make massive gains on Cardena. So these are 7 altcoins for the next year, 2024. And I think all of these coins have great potential. Of course, there are other altcoins which have also a great potential. So if you want me to make more videos about altcoins with a great potential, then write it down in the comments. And if you want to see price predictions of these altcoins, then check out my channel and my end card, and there you will find price predictions for each altcoin. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.